Hey, New York City, just throw the whole thing away.
I don't understand why they playing with that, man.
Cut it out.
Just stop it. We're going to wait 4 years.
Who we fooling?
Yeah, leave him alone.
Nothing's going to happen to Trump. And nobody, wants nobody wants that retribution that he made the living hanging over their head. He won the election. It is what it is. Cut ties, sever your losses, throw the whole case away. Come on.
I don't know why they playing with him.
Who we fooling, y'all?
Nope.
Who we fooling? Like, seriously. And if you push it back 4 years, that might give him more reason to stay. Okay?
After Trump won the 2024 election in rather convincing fashion, you would think that all of these trumped up BS cases, no pun intended, all of these BS cases that they put against Donald Trump will just go away, will simmer out. But no. Now, Jack Smith, the federal prosecutor, the one who many argue had the strongest case, the classified documents case, he's actually wising up and he's just letting it go. But we got Fat Alvin up here in New York City. He has all types of crime, all types of issues going on in New York, but he's not worried about that. This man is clinging on to this bogus hush money case. This man won't let it go. He is desperate for some type of win here, but it's not going to happen. So let's get into what's going on with the case right now. We're going to read this excerpt here from CBC. A New York judge on Friday granted Donald Trump permission to seek dismissal of the criminal case in which he was convicted in May of 34 felony counts involving hush money paid to a porn star in light of his victory in the November 5th presidential election. Now, the left doesn't want to let this go because you always hear these NPCs regurgitating. He's a 34 count felon. He's this, he's that. So they don't want to let that go either. But I'm just looking at this porn star aspect. This allegedly happened in 2006, man. We're almost 20 years. This man, if he did bang this lady, even though he said he didn't, this man is still dealing with a headache from JJ that he got 20 years ago. God damn. New York State Supreme Court Justice Juan Merchan, very corrupt man, formally delayed the sentencing of Trump, which had been scheduled to take place next Tuesday. Prosecutors within Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office this week asked Merchan to consider deferring all proceedings in the case until after Trump, 78, finishes his 4-year presidential term that begins on January 20th. These people, Alvin Bragg, Fat Alvin, they won't let it go. They're saying, look, man, let's just keep everything on the books, and when Trump leaves office in 4 years, we can put him in jail. Can we just wait till he's finished 8 years as a president, until he's retired, he's in his 80s? Can we put him in jail then on some BS charges? Can we please have that delay? Lawyers for Trump, a Republican, have argued that the case must be dismissed because having it loom over him while he's president will cause unconstitutional impediments to his ability to govern. Bragg's office said it will argue against dismissal, but agreed that Trump deserves time to make his case through written motions. So there you go. That's the argument. Now, Merchan, he's going to be the one to decide, but Alvin Bragg, he doesn't want it dismissed. Trump's lawyers are saying, look, let's just watch the thing. Can we just move on with our lives? It's over with. You have no leg to stand on because this case is very weak to begin with. But Alvin Bragg don't want to let it go. They said, no, we're not going to dismiss it. Let's just wait till Trump is 82 years old, pushing 83. When he leaves office, let's just put him in jail then? Can we just delay it? But this case is weak as hell to begin with. Now, remember, this is the case where there was a misdemeanor on some BS. Trump's lawyer allegedly paid the porn star off. If he did, we don't know why. But Alvin Bragg is saying, well, that's a violation of a federal election finance law, even though the feds never charged Trump at all with that. So Fat Alvin is trying to say that Trump falsified business record through his lawyer by noting down that Stormy Daniels was allegedly paid. And this was an alleged federal finance campaign law violation, which was never charged. So the whole case is really weak, really fishy, has no precedents. But Fat Alvin, this is all he got because remember, his reputation is on the line. This man, before he was put into his office, he sat there talking about, yeah, I'm going after Trump. This is my priority. Let's take a look.
But one of the things leading into this vote for the Manhattan District Attorney's office, I know a lot of people are wondering, whoever has this job, are they going to convict Donald Trump?
Look, that is the number one issue. We know he's investigating. I'm the candidate in the race who has the experience with Donald Trump. So I'm ready to go wherever the facts take me. and to inherit that case. And I think, it'd be hard to argue with the fact that that'd be the most important, most high profile case. And I've seen him up front and seen the lawlessness that he can.
We got the left tapping out. We saw left-wing lunatic, deranged Trump hater, Charlemagne the God. Saw him at the beginning saying, look, just let it go. And we even have MSNBC, these deranged nutcases. They're even saying that it's over with. There's nothing here. The judge is going to dismiss the case, but Fed Alvin, his reputation is on the line. He can't let it go.
It's more delay, and it's interesting because is this going to happen after Inauguration Day, and now it'll be President Trump? I should also note, the judge is the decider, not the Manhattan DA. So the judge could say, thank you very much for your opinion, Manhattan DA, but I'm going to do this.
This man wants to spend the next few years continuing to drag Trump through courtrooms. But look, Fed Alvin, it's time to face the truth. This case is going nowhere. You look corrupt as hell. You're getting pats on the back from the leftists, from the left-wing activists. But you're not going to do anything with this. You're just embarrassing yourself. And you're proving Trump right. The American people saw it. When they voted, they knew that your entire case was corrupt. You're using the law as a weapon against your political opponents. Just proving that there is a two-tier justice system. So let me know what you guys think about this. Will Merchan dismiss the case? Will Fed Alvin get his way and try to go after Trump after 4 more years? Like, share, and subscribe if you want more honest conservative commentary. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.